Hey, Brock Boss here today in beautiful Bonita Springs, installing some Eagle concrete tile. Got a nice bit overcast today, but about perfect for working. Take you for a quick walk through. You can kind of see all parts of the install process in the beginning. So over here we just got the bird stop and that installed. Over here we're starting the first rows of tile. Over here, getting the final pieces cut in around the hips. Making some good progress over here. Got an in-progress inspection from the city coming this afternoon. It looks like we're going to be in good shape for it. Should be right about 50% complete by this afternoon, which is perfect for the inspection. But so far, everything's going really well. Go ahead and end this for now, and we'll get the drone out later this afternoon and get some overhead shots.